What's going on, family? Listen, I am currently at my rental property. This is my first rental property that I have had since 2021. I've had a tenant in there since 2023. So it was a 2-year lease, first mistake. Section 8 tenant, second mistake. And it was just a terrible experience all around that I could not get myself out of. But now the tenant is gone. I'm here to transition and turn over the house. I'm about to change the locks right now. So I'm really about to just see what the damages are, seeing how much it's gonna cost me to get it cleaned out, and really start the process to getting it turned over, because I got something else up my sleeve. So come take a walk with me. All this trash. I wanna show you the back. Got this property looking like the projects. All of this. So now this property has been my problem child from day one. I'll get into more detail in how I acquired the property. It's been teaching me life lessons ever since. And again, it's all a part of the game, just the ups and downs. But come on, let's see. All right, so I finally got access to the house. Tenant is gone, good thing, and she left it better than I thought. I'm just happy this is doable. It ain't a lot of structural damage. It's not a lot of rodents. There's a lot of stuff that's gonna have to get fixed and changed out, but I'm optimistic right now. It's definitely better than I thought.